Hey, 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 hey. What's up, family? Y'all ready? 52-week money challenge. It's just a challenge. Man, let me stop, man. Y'all thought I was about to drop them bars. What's up, family, man? This is your boy, King Arthur. You are tuned in to Agree to Disagree TV, and we starting up this 52-week money challenge, family. That's right. So this is just a refresher. I laid out the foundation for you guys on February 1st. So if you didn't get a chance to watch that video, please go back and watch it. Um, and that'll give you the foundation of this challenge. So where we're at, family, we're at week 6. So what I didn't explain in the last video, you will be making your deposits every Monday. That's when we put the money into the savings account, right? So right now we are at week 6 of the challenge. So at this point, we should have $21 into our savings account, family. Now, let me just catch you guys up if you didn't get a chance to see my last video. We're doing a 52-week money challenge. So at the end of this year, family, if you make the deposits every week, you will have $1,378 into your savings account. Now, this is just an entry level for beginners. If you're um, advanced and you're able to do more, do more. This is not a set limit. This is just to get people disciplined. We're trying to get people to break those bad habits. So feel free to do the type of challenge that works for you. They have $10,000, $5,000, $3,000. It's up to you how you want to do this challenge. But what I will be going over for the rest of this year is beginner level money saving tips and techniques for people that's trying to build discipline. Okay, so each week, like I said, we have a dollar amount that we put into our savings account each week, and the number of the week is the dollar amount that we put in. So this is week 6 in the 2025 calendar year. So we're going to deposit $6 into our account. Now that totals to $21 because week 1 we deposited a dollar, week 2 2, week 3 3, etc. So I hope you guys are able to understand that. So every Monday we make the deposit, and what I want you guys to do, if you don't have one already, I want you to get you a separate savings account, okay? Even if you're using the savings account that's attached to your checkings account, that's perfectly okay. But we have to be disciplined. We have to be disciplined. You cannot go into it not for any circumstances. I mean, come on, there are a few circumstances where you might have to dip into the fund, but the point of this is to build up an emergency fund. That way, when something comes up, you guys are not, in a panic. So the idea is to not to have to touch this. So get you a separate savings account, a high yielding savings account. Don't just put it in a savings account that doesn't accumulate interest. Okay. Me personally, I have a Greenwood account and I get a 4.15 interest rate. Okay. Um, there's SoFi and there's a plethora of other banks out there where you can get a high APR on your savings account. Okay, so you guys look for that and do what's best for you. So just wanted to hop on real quick, guys, and go back over the challenge briefly. And this is not a group that I'm running. This is not anything that you have to pay for. All I ask is that you guys engage with me, um, and let's help each other. Each one teach one, family. If there's somebody out there that's a lot more advanced, that's been on top of their money game, their money management for years, slide on into the comments and help us out. Give us a tip. Let us know what you're doing. Don't be a gatekeeper. That's not cool. Like, we all want to do better. This is the time, family. It's time to be financially free. It's time to get our health and wellness together. We got to start eating better. We got to start having money in our pockets. There's all type of things that we need to do better. And It starts with discipline. It starts with one day at a time. And that's all we can do, family. This is not about perfection. We just want to grow and learn together as a family. So if you're way past this level of savings and money management, hop on in the comments and help us out. Share some information. So that's what this is about, family. I just ask that you guys engage with me throughout this year, and we'll keep going over money management tips and do it that way, family. So this is going to be a grind. This is going to be for 52 weeks. This is not just for today and next week. I'm gonna hop on every week, guys, and we'll go over the challenge, and we'll see where we're at. I can start going live if we get the engagement up, and I know you guys are interested in this information. I'll be more than happy to go live, but I need to know that you guys are locked in with me. So, um, just a quick recap. This is week 6 of the 2025 year. So today you want to deposit $6 into your account, and that'll put your balance at $21. Now, if you haven't started, if you're just running across this video, go ahead and throw in the $21 to get you caught up to week 6. If you don't have the $21, just start wherever you're at. If you only got the dollar to start off with, that's fine. Catch up later, but just get started, family. That's the key. We have to get started. No more excuses, family. No more excuses. So that's my time, family. This is Agree to Disagree TV. I am your host, King Arthur. Thank you guys for joining me. And let's get started, family. 52 weeks. At the end of the year, this is going to be a kickstart. This is not going to be the end all be all. So we're not going to be millionaires with $1,300 at the end of the year, but we will develop discipline, and we will start practicing those good habits to start building generational wealth. It starts with $1. You can't build anything without that first dollar. So let's get it, family. I believe in you. I love you. Peace.